following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:15 p.m. At 1:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles south of Midway Airport to 10 nautical miles southwest of Hammond Marina to 17 nautical miles southwest of Gary, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boat.